Galindo. Migs has been on the show here. He's a great guy, staying active in the area here. This particular tune, the lead-off track from their EP, it's called My Baby.
It was Rockabilly Night with Bloodshot Bill and the Dialhearts. And the third band is, Migs Cat.
Tonight at the Triple Door, it's the Echo Devils. Yeah, and they're fun. They are fun.
September 16th and 17th, Rockabilly Ball with Bloodshot Bill, the Dialhearts, Migs Cat, the Sunday Saints, Copper and Coal, and Smoke Tough Johnny. That's at the Sunset. You can check out our Facebook page, Shake the Shack on KEXP, if you want some details.
You want to talk about Migs Cat, Liam?
Migs, Miguel?
Yeah.
He's a fantastic guitar player, and he's going to have a really good backing band.
I know the rhythm guy.
Rhythm guy? Yeah. Me too, I know one. And then also Kirsten is going to be on bass. But yeah, Migs Cat, he's a fantastic player. He's going to be doing some instrumentals and some traditional rockabilly.
Yeah.
Super nice guy, up-and-coming guitar player. So
Yeah, very, very big supporter of the show, too.
The Echo Devils, those three contemporary artists, you can catch them at, places around the world, as a matter of fact. The Echo Devils from right here in Western Washington, Miguel Galindo and his band, they're gigging in Bremerton, they're gigging in Seattle, Shoreline, and Ballard, and all over.